Hello everyone, Model Car Guy Rich here. I am so grateful for all you subscribers. I want to say thank you so very much. I hit 500 the other day. Today that I'm filming this is Tuesday, and on Sunday night I hit 500 subscribers. Monday morning I woke up, I had 499, and then a little while later I had 501. Then it went back to 499, and as of right now, it's 501 again. So I don't know what goes on with the algorithm, but boy, that's stressful when they do that to you. You know, I mean, couldn't they just put it on there and leave it and be done with it? So anyway, I want to say thank you all so very much. I appreciate your support. Appreciate you all watching and commenting, and that I'm having a blast. I hope you're enjoying my videos. I'm going to start working on the Autocar DC9964B dump truck. If you haven't seen the unboxing on that one, please go ahead and do so. It's just a couple videos back. I will have some more unboxings coming, and then in the meantime, I'm going to start working on this one and do some, detailed bits on the build itself, kind of like I did with the Dodge L700. Hopefully, it'll go a lot smoother than that one, and we'll have some good tips and tricks and my comments on how I felt the build went and that kind of thing. So again, thank you all so very much for 500 subs. Please be sure to tell all your friends and get more of them to subscribe, because I could sure use a boost in subscriptions, because I want to grow this channel as big as I possibly can over the next few years. And like I said, I love the hobby. I've been doing it basically my whole life, and I'm enjoying it more now than I think I ever have, because I have the luxury of wisdom, the experiences that I've had through all of my 50 plus years of building, that I'm enjoying it more now, and I'm a little more patient with like frustrations of the hinges on the Dodge L700. That there was a time in my life that I would have just put all of that back in the box and thrown it right in the trash, but I persevered through it this time, and I'm proud of myself for that, because that says something. That was a big one. So thank you again. I want to say hi to all my personal friends that watch, and thank you for your support. You guys have been wonderful as always. And to all you new subscribers out there, thank you for joining and come hang out with us. And that's about all I got for now. So have yourselves all a wonderful day, and keep on modeling. See you on the next one.